What is up, everybody? Thank you guys for tuning into this next episode. This is going to be a shorter video because I've already built this B-25 and I just didn't want to build a third one. They are kind of a pain, and actually I have two more in my next video coming up. So I just wanted to put together a short clip. I built this a long time ago, so you get to see the end result, but it's definitely not as detailed as my other videos, so I apologize for that, but still a good video all in all. 8 minutes, so just stay tuned and then you'll get to see the final result. And actually you can see the difference between some of my newer models that I've been building and my older models, because this is literally the third model that I built, so the quality is like, it's so different. It's kind of cool to see like your journey through modeling and how good you've gotten, and I can definitely see it with this kit. So the details are just standard like every kit, and if you don't know of this kit, I would be surprised because it's just a super well-known kit. Sometimes I wish that modeling really did go like this. It would be magical, but it would ruin the fun. There you go. That's the inside. Don't worry, I actually do get into putting this stuff all together. It is pretty cool that all the turrets and stuff move. That's pretty neat. That's one really cool thing about this kit. And the interior details are pretty good. Alright, let's get into building this cockpit. So this is the main floorboard here. You actually have to install the front landing gear too. And there's everything. Actually, this is probably the first kit that I installed everything first and then painted last. I've never done it before. And I know why, because it was a pain in the butt to paint all the details for the instrument panel. It was really hard. It was a bad idea to do that, but 80% of this kit gets covered up, so oh well. And there's the bomb bay area. Rear turret. This goes together super simply. Gets glued in place. I mean, the kit goes together well. Like there's no problems with it going together. Seam lines are basic Revell, seam lines when you get the fuselage halves together. But everything inside just sits right where it's supposed to go, and there's really no struggle there. I painted both of these interior green. Just a little bit of an olive drab color to go inside. So here we go to the parts coming together, and they went together all right. The seams were okay. They left a little bit of a ridge line that you have to take care of later. And there is a little bit of gapping right in this wing area. But I just pre-taped the parts. I use 3M blue masking tape, and that seems to not leave a residue like Walmart cheap blue tape does. And with these 4 rear stabilizers, they do not fit together good. You can see right there. So you got to trim the tab off and sand like about 2 centimeters in around the whole area, and then it'll fit perfectly. But that's like the only problem that I really had, other than the seam lines just really coming out. It almost left like a raised edge on every single part that the fuselage halves went together. But the wings went together fine. There isn't a lot of gluing surface area for this horizontal stabilizer, so where it counts, glue it pretty good because there just isn't a lot there. But it does go together well, and it sits on there. So, and there is a couple seams you have to seam, but obviously I didn't put it together. So we're just gonna get into some pictures here, and thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a shorter video. I'm sorry about that, but altogether it's still pretty cool to see my old work compared to my new work. So this is a neat project for me, and I just hope you guys enjoy the picture. God bless. Thank you guys for watching again. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much again. Let's get back to building.